What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to hop in the shower and maintenance myself. Put my lashes back on. It's about to be a new week. It's a new week starting. Let's get me together. Gotta get together. We gotta get it together. Can't be going out looking like this. So we about to watch this. So yeah, this is maintenance with Kia. So, finished blow drying my hair. Now it's time to straighten it a little bit more. Just gonna do it like this. Twist it down and call it a day. Because I'm not a braider. I don't know how to braid. I mean, I know how to box braid, of course, but cornrows, never. That's what the hairstylists are for. Everybody got a job in this world. That's what they for. But since I'm doing this myself, we just gonna twist it up real quick. And bada boom, bada bang, bada bing. I will do that afterwards. Let's get to the back. Let's part the back. And let's get started. All right. Y'all, this is a process. Like for real. But I made it. And here we are. Here we are for the final results. Oh, Morati. Okay, so let's finally take this out and part it. So let's look over it, part it, and bump it. And then we are done. Finito. 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 We are done here. You're done. One side down, the other to go, cause let me stop playing. Let me get the rest of my hair done, cause this took forever, like forever for me to do. This is craziness. This is why I pay to get my hair done. I don't like to do it. I don't like to do it. I don't like it. Yep. Behind the ear. Stick out a little bit. And we are done. To the natural look. Hello. My boyfriend said he was tired of my helmet. Y'all know what the helmet is. Yes, it's the wig. He was like, you got hair. I understand why you don't wear your hair out. Yes, I have hair, but sometimes I get tired of mine. But I like to switch it up. Different personalities for each hairstyle. This one is Kia. It's giving Kia. When I have my wigs on, maybe Rebecca, Sarah, Samantha, you know, like Trina, Keisha, gives a lot. Just don't, never know. Never know. I'll play some buttons. Don't call me a stylist, because I'm not. But this is cute. It came out cute. I like the middle part. I did the side part when I first got it, but the middle part is middle parting. You know what I'm saying? Look at the back. Let's check the back. Yeah. Yeah. Now let's do the lashes. So, finishing touches. Although, after I wash my hair and stuff, fresh face, I really don't need to put the lashes on, but I'm going to. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put these babies on. I'm running out. I need to re-up on some. I actually was trying to get the bigger pack of the lashes, but it's always sold out every time I go and look on TikTok, the TikTok shop. So I'm gonna check Amazon for these, but in the meantime, we're gonna use the rest of these up until the other ones is back in stock. Because like I said, every time I try and go and look for the ones that I'm looking for, it's always out of stock. So let's get to doing our, I get so, okay. Let's get to it. Where is the bond glue? This is the bond side, as you can see. And this is the seal side. So first of all, before I even start doing that, I tell people all the time, I don't go nowhere, but when you look good, you feel good, no matter what you're doing. No matter what you're doing, literally. No matter what you're doing. When you look good, you feel good. Always remember that. It gives a better feeling of any mood. It changes the bad mood. I'm telling you. Just take a good look at yourself like, damn. I look fine. Not the cat jumping on the wall. There we go. Let's clean it that way. And please make sure y'all clean it. Clean your eyes. Clean your eyes properly. Okay. Where my other one is? So when I'm finished. Let me ease my other. Here we are. That one is to do that. This one is to do this one. So I think I need more glue too, actually. We're still good. We're still good. What size am I gonna do? Okay, so I still have 16s of the 40D. I still have 14s out of 40D and 12s. So I guess we could do the 40D. Alright, so I'm applying 16 to the end. Boom. And make it a 14. Another 16. So trying to move swiftly because the glue do dry fast. So yeah. Let's see if I can go back over with the. I'm gonna wait to go back over. I'm gonna just do 14. And then 12. It's very easy. Okay, so I have one eye down. One eye down, one more to go. One more to go. I look crazy, but that's how it looks. Now once I get the ones with the spikes, I could just put like the little spikes and stuff and whatnot on it. Now let's get to the left side. To the left, to the left. And then I am done with my self-care day. Alright, cool. So on the left side, I did the one layer. I'm about to go back in with the second one. I'm about to go back in with the second one. I'm just gonna apply the bond again. Underneath. Underneath, so I can apply the second. And then let that sit for a minute so I can do the other side. That concludes my self-care Sundays. So I'm out of here. I'm feeling refreshed. And yeah. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.